Guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. I will show you today how to activate and use the enhance option when your TikTok creation. So guys, let's open the TikTok application. Right now we are on the profile page, and to create a new TikTok, let's tap on the plus icon in the bottom panel of the screen. I will create a TikTok as an example. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done, let's tap on the check mark to save these changes. And how to activate this enhance feature. Remember that you can use this enhance button on TikTok just to make your skin smoother, and remember that this option also will make your picture brighter. And remember that there is one problem with this enhance option, that you don't even know how strong this effect will be, unfortunately, so you can only activate or disable it. You cannot customize this option and manage it. So to turn off this enhance feature, you need to tap on the check mark, on the arrow at the right panel of the screen, and you will get this enhance feature. Let's tap on it one time. And as you can check right now, there is additional colors on the video. Also, there is some more brighter effects on the TikTok. And if there will be my skin, my face, you will see that my skin is smoother. Unfortunately, you cannot do it, but okay, remember about this option of the enhance. So if you don't want to this option be activated, let's delete it after tapping again on the icon. So in this way we will activate the enhance, and this way we will turn it off. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was short but very interesting and useful. Don't forget to like this video if it was, and also check another tutorials on our channel where we will talked about the TikTok app and other programs to get their secrets. So goodbye guys, good luck!